All right, so we've got a lot of questions on how to make our NDK coffee recipe. What do we do? What do we use? So I'm gonna show you that right now. Main ingredient is really our coffee. So I've got that over here brewed up from our Keurig. I've got grass-fed butter. Currently, I'm using the Vital Farms pasture-raised butter. So that's what that looks like. So we just want about 1 tablespoon of that. So cut that off. Bring our cup over here. So we're gonna take the 1 tablespoon and put that in there. We have our brain octane. This is fantastic for ketone production. Our body can't digest this the same as normal fats. So what it does is it sends it to the liver and it turns it into ketones. So we're gonna do about a tablespoon. You don't have to measure exactly. If you're just starting out, you might wanna do just a splash, like a teaspoon, maybe a capful in there, and work up every few days to a tablespoon or so. This is our light balance. This is our electrolyte support. So this has sodium, magnesium, and potassium. So we want to do a capful of this in there. This really helps keep a lot of that keto flu away. If you're early on, you might want to, if you're just starting keto, you might want to do 2 or 3 capfuls of that a day. Or if you have symptoms of keto flu, headaches, cramping, tiredness, things like that, 2 to 3 capfuls of that could be really good for a little bit. I usually do 1 to 2 as a maintenance. This is our emulsified vitamin D supplement. I love this. Each drop is 2,000 international units, 2,000 IU. During the winter, I do 3 drops for myself. We recommend anywhere from 1 to 3 for maintenance. If you have low vitamin D, you might need to do more. I like adding cinnamon to mine. Cinnamon is also really good for blood sugar control, so this can be a great thing to add. I give a couple shakes in there. Just gives a little bit of flavor. Oh, I love the smell of that. And then lastly, our collagen. So this is our Alona Life grass-fed collagen. This is the plain. We also have a vanilla and a mocha flavor. Both of those are sweetened with stevia. So I do 1 scoop of that right on in there. Then you could do this with a normal blender, or you can do this with I have the Ninja system, so this is like the NutriCup. So you could do a NutriBullet, you could do a stick blender, you could do one of those electric whisks, whatever you needed to blend this up. That's it, you just give it a quick buzz, just enough. You really don't want to just shake this. You want to use a quick speed blender, something that's going to help that kind of emulsify in there. I've got my NDK Lifestyle mug, of course. And we're just going to pour. You can see all that foam in there. You can see that difference right in there. That's all that foaminess. And, oh, great start to your day. Oh, perfect.